Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior condition and of course talking you through some of the features and options on this stunning G20 320D XDRIVE presented in Portimao blue. And alongside that, we've of course fitted the vehicle out with one of our full YNC Mperformance body styling kits. Included in that, we've added the 20-inch 795mm Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and they are presented again in the satin black and set against that Portimao blue do look absolutely incredible. So this 320D G20 is stacked out with BMW optional extras and the new pack system, and I'm going to try and get as many in there as possible. At the front of the car you'll of course see it's a 2019 plate, and of course you'll be able to see the new LED headlamps. Situated between the very nice, very aggressive gloss black kidney grills, you will see just one of the cameras that this vehicle comes equipped with, and that is of course included in the full parking assistant pack. Down the side of the vehicle you'll be able to see the very nice sun protection glazing the vehicle comes with, alongside our satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and again the very nice gloss black sidebars. The exterior for this vehicle is in fantastic condition, and that matches the rest of the car in terms of interior, and of course having brand new wheels, they are also all unmarked. Moving closer towards the car, you will again see one of the other optional extras. We've got the comfort package to this vehicle. So I can walk up to the vehicle, it will unlock itself very effortlessly. Again, always a very useful feature for many reasons, including if you should happen to have your hands full. We've got the black Venensky leather with both heated and electric lumbar options. You will of course see I've set the ambient lighting settings to the blue to of course match that exterior colour. However, you can change that to a colour of your choosing. Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. We've also got the tech pack equipped to this car, and again that includes quite a few other options which I'll get through very shortly. Moving around to the rear seats, where you get a very nice 3-seat Isofix rear bench and a central folding armrest. And a nice new feature that was introduced for the G23 series is the digital adjustment and climate for rear passengers. And again, thanks to the tech pack, we've also got those twin C-type USB chargers for rear passengers. And again, I want to highlight to you, this vehicle is in immaculate condition, and you'll be able to see just how nicely those brand new 20-inch alloys really do suit this car very nicely. So moving to the rear of the car, we've added both the gloss rear diffuser and of course the gloss rear boot spoiler. And of course a very nice eye-catching feature of the new 3 Series is the 3-dimensional lights. We do of course have a automatic opening and closing tailgate, being that we have that comfort package. You can of course also slide your foot underneath the centre point at the rear bumper. However, for the demonstration I'm just going to show you that automatic opening and closing tailgate via the key. You now get split folding seats as standard, and a hugely large boot space. Again, genuine floor mats nicely presented there. Round towards the other side of the vehicle, again I'll just take a couple of seconds to appreciate and try and show off to you that this vehicle is in fantastic condition, as you would generally expect for a vehicle of its age and mileage, which of course we're going to move on to in just a second when I take a seat on board this incredible 320D XDRIVE. So as soon as we enter any of the G20 range, but specifically this one, we're of course greeted with both the Live Cockpit and of course that lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, which is of course touchscreen. However, again, some optional extras to this car, mainly being down to the tech pack. Down here we've got the wireless charging tray, currently charging a device. As you can see there, the little blue light is on, and in the top right hand corner you can see that that is being charged. The mileage on the car is just over 7,000 miles, so again, the first service is not due. It is of course still under BMW's warranty, and of course it is a very low mileage example. We've also got situated on our lovely new style multifunction M Sport steering wheel, the option for the heated M Sport steering wheel, so again that's always very nice, especially in the colder months. The all-new 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, again we still get the lovely flappy pedals along with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. However, we generally don't need to use the voice controls because of course we've got the all-new AI assistant that we can simply call upon on command, which I will try and demonstrate for you shortly. Starting the car up, I'm just going to run you through a couple of the features and functions. The vehicle also has the fabulous gesture control, so as you can see there, I can turn the volume up, or of course I can turn it down, along with quite a few other commands that I can do with that. You can confirm commands, you can even swipe through different screens with that. Again, moving back through to the very main menu, we'll go to the media screen, where as you can see you get DAB, you also get music collection, you can have Spotify enabled along with Bluetooth audio and a wide array of other features. Going to the communication menu, where of course is where you'll pair the devices for telephone, but not only telephone and audio, you've also got the Apple CarPlay and screen mirroring enabled for this vehicle, which is of course always very, very useful. As I did mention at the start of the video, we've got one camera at the front. We've also got full 360 view. So as you can see, I've put the vehicle in reverse and it's automatically selected the rear camera. However, tapping this little screen here, I can view the side, I can view the other side, or of course I can go back to the rear camera, or of course set the car to automatic. So if I engage drive, it'll then engage the front facing camera, giving me full 360 bird's eye view of my surroundings. Always a very user-friendly and very useful system. We've also got the heads-up display as well, so a very well-spec'd 320D G20 M Sport, with of course backed up with that fabulous new XDRIVE system as well. So I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. I do know they are always a little bit lengthy in terms of the new 3 Series. However, I'm sure you appreciate that there is so much technology packed into these cars that I simply can't always narrow it down into a shorter video. But thank you for taking the time to watch it, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.